So I spent this past year learning how to design my own lenses, and I'm currently trying to make an anamorphic lens for M-mount, design of which is based on this Edwards, Mandler, and Wagner patent from the 1970s for their fast 4-element 50mm lens. So what makes this lens special? Well, their claim is that this simple lens design can rival that of a double Gauss type lens, but with 2 less lenses and no doublets. This is quite an achievement, and was only possible due to new high-index glass that started appearing at the time. Let's take a step back. You can actually characterize this lens as a sonar type design, a very uncommon layout for Leica in their 50mm lenses, although very popular with other manufacturers in the rangefinder era. If you check the Wikipedia entry for the sonar design, you can even spot the earlier genealogy of this lens, the Erno star. Pretty close match, isn't it? Well, the big difference is in the field of view. See, the 1924 Erno star designed by Bertele is roughly equivalent to a 85mm. It's a short telephoto. The Leica design is corrected for a much wider field of view, while retaining the simplicity. Bertele himself improved on his design into the 1930s by adding glass doublets and triplets, correcting design for color and aberrations. The Elcan design brings back the simplicity, but with the use of high-index glass. So what's the catch? Well, the main issue with the Elcan design is the third lens, the center of which is exceedingly thin at only 0.75mm. It was only ever produced in a very limited run for the US Army in their KE-7A model. A reproduction of it was made a few years ago by Light Lens Lab, but is now also discontinued. This past year, I've been toying around with this patent and implemented it into my own lens design that I'm making for Leica M-mount. It's currently on Kickstarter. I reduced the aperture to f2.8 to be able to make the middle lens thicker and easier to manufacture. My lens is also anamorphic, so going down one stop helped with the added aberrations. If you want to know more, check out the campaign. It ends on November 23rd.